I respect my president and I respect Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. But please, give the youth of this country a chance. I know there is zoning, and Mathare has been zoned as an ODM area. But for this one time, give the youth of this country a chance. Give the people of Mathare a chance to get the leader they have always wanted. I want to state that in a very humble way, that, Mr. President, my party leader, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, to the field, Raila Amolo Odinga, I will not lie to you. These people of Mathare have suffered for so long. I did not come to politics because I wanted a job. I already had one. But these people of Mathare want someone that can understand their problems, someone that comes from them. Hadi saa hii miaka, kuna mama yangu Mathare ako mahali ana choo.